Good morning, class. It is Friday, the 29th. Let me just get this off here. Okay, today's going to be a catch-up day, so make sure you please watch this video. It's not going to take too long. Your last PE class is in today. Check in on Teams and complete that assignment. I'd like you to do your Map Accelerator and your ELA Read 180 app, please. Okay, 30 minutes for both. All right. I looked at that, students who are doing those, and it's probably about a few of you. And I appreciate those few who are doing their jobs because there's not many of you getting your assignments done. I think I turned back to most of your assignments and graded everything. So when you go into your grade book, my grade book, look at your grades because there's quite a few of you that have not completed too many assignments. So it's going to be a catch-up day. Complete any assignment that you have not completed in the past 2 weeks. Like I said, you check your grade book, check my grade book, your grades for these past 2 weeks. Some of you have a lot of work to do. We'll be available from 8:30 to 11, okay? To chat, to video call with you, to go over anything. I'll share my screen, I'll get the assignment up, and we'll discuss it and work that through, okay? I take half an hour for lunch, and then 11:30 to 2 o'clock, I'll be able to meet with you either through chat or a team video call. I mean, there's been a few of you that chatted me, which your chat is suspended right now if you're watching this. It should be back on a little bit, but there's been a few of you that have chatted with me or I've called up and said, let's just figure this out together. And so I appreciate those students who are getting their work done. I really do. Any work that was turned back to you on Teams, I put a comment in there. You'll see a grade. You can resubmit them. Please tell me that you have resubmitted assignment, okay? Because I won't know that. It won't come up, all right, if you resubmit assignment that I turned back to you, all right? Yeah, I'm not too happy with some of the performances that I've been getting from my class. We're much better than this. Lunch, some of you for lunch will be doing work during your lunch. I think I mentioned that before. You didn't want to do it for 2 weeks at home. You'll come in, when you come in for lunch, you'll start doing assignments so you can start getting those down, okay? Lunch, we can extend lunch maybe 10 minutes or so. So that will give you a little more time to catch up. And again, Mrs. Neal and I will be available. Okay. So, no school on Monday. Let me put that in there. No school on Monday. We have a conference day. So you have a 3-day week. That gives you more time to work on your assignments. I know there's a problem with motivation at home. I understand that. I get that. Okay. When I get home from work, I just want to kick back, and I do kick back. All right. But I also know that I have work to do. All right. And so sometimes I take care of it at night. Sometimes I take care of it early in the morning. Okay. Which is usually the case. But let's stay on top of our assignments. Okay. And let's get it done. You have a nice weekend ahead of you. Nice and chilly, that is. Yeah, you have Monday off, so you have more time to work on your assignments that you have not yet done. Okay? Alrighty. I will see you today. Make sure you check in with me. Okay? Alright. Happy Friday.